there everyone. Today we're going to talk about how to velvet beef. At least we're going to talk through the process. Now to start with, you need roughly 500 grams of stir-fry strips. These are supermarket bought stir-fry strips. You can go through the whole process of slicing up your own meat and all the rest of it, but in my experience, just the supermarket bought stir-fry strips work fine. So we're going to start with the marinade, and I'm going to go with half a teaspoon of sugar, about a tablespoon of soy sauce, measure carefully, and about a teaspoon of sesame oil, one for good luck. Now the most important one to measure is bicarb soda. You don't want too much of this because it will flavour the product or the stir fry once you've made it. So literally half a teaspoon. And about a tablespoon of cornstarch. And you just mix that through until it's all combined. And you can see straight away it starts to change the texture of the beef. Now at the absolute minimum, you want to marinate this for about an hour, but I like to marinate for at least a couple of hours. You can even marinate overnight. The longer you leave it, the tenderer it's going to be. So, alright, hope you've enjoyed the video. Bye.